Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And today guys, we have a special treat I think, and it is Fabfitfun. Yes, and it's Fabfitfun mystery and add-on. It came in this big old box. I kind of forgot what I ordered. I do know I ordered a mystery bag and we're going to pop in here and see what I got. And I said I wasn't going to order any more mystery bags. And the reason I did, and the only reason I did this particular time, is they had it marked down to I think $34.99. So it was only $5 away from their $29.99. So I thought I would give them a try and see. And this is a sneaky peeky. And I also bought an add-on. So I have two things in here. And guys, you're not going to believe my add-on price that I got. It is unbelievable. I had to pick it up, and while I was picking that up, I had to get it. Matter of fact, I'm just going to start off with this. This was an edit sale. It's incredible. It's an add-on buy. It was valued at over $150, and you'll see what I'm talking about. And guys, I got this for $4.99. Yep, that's right. This I got for $4.99. It was a beach bag special that they had for $4.99, and I'm going to show you what I got for $4.99. I keep saying it because I can't believe it. The first thing that I got was a Beach Please towel, and it's all wrapped up in here under Private Party, and I'm almost tempted to leave it in here, but look at the pretty colors, and it's going to say Private Party down the center of that beach towel. The next thing I got in this was a kimono, I believe. And this is a kimono. It's a Maya kimono. And you know, when you go to the beach, you're going to be having a kimono. And if you don't know anything about Fabfitfun, I'm going to have a 20% off discount on your next subscription if you haven't subscribed to Fabfitfun. It is an annual membership for $229, somewhere around there, and they bill you all at once. You get full customs, or you can go quarter to quarter, and that cost is $69.99. So it's $64.99 basically, or $69.99. But on the quarterly, you can pay it out, and you get 4 choices. But you get access to the edit sales in either one of those categories. But this is the kimono that I got, and isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, this is something that I can actually put on. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, let's try it on. Look at this. Isn't this lovely? It does have the ties here, and you can tie it up. It's got the big loose arms, so if you're at the beach or wherever, you're not feeling like the air can't get in there. This is really pretty. It hangs down pretty good too. Let me show you. Look at that. Isn't that nice? It kind of goes on with what I got on. I love this. You could wear this around the house as a little house coat too. Oh yeah, this is very nice. Okay, and you know that these, I got it for $4.99. Everything for $4.99. Now the last item I got for $4.99 in the same bag is this. And this is a beach bag. So you got your towel, you got your bag, and you got your kimono. Isn't this fabulous? And look at that. It even has a snap for that. This is nice. It's got rope handles, and it's knotted on the edges. It goes through I guess you could say, I don't know what you call that when they've got it tacked down, but it's a silver metal piece there, so it'll hold up really good. You'll be able to have lots of weight in there. And on the inside, you've got a pouch. It's blue on the inside. It's like a navy blue. And this is just an excellent little bag. Oh my goodness. This was $150 or more. I mean, it could have been valued more than that. To get a beach bag, a beach towel, and a kimono, at least $150. Oh my goodness. I don't know how I snagged this. This was the snag of the century with Fabfitfun. You let me know what you think. What's your favorite item out of these three? Oh my goodness. Well, of course, this kimono is just excellent. This bag was a Summer and Rose, so you know that's a good brand. Okay, guys. Now, this is going to be a... Can that mystery bag top this? I don't know. But we're going to find out. This is my mystery bag right here. And this is a mystery bag number 2302 MYS033. And I don't know that I've seen this one, but we'll check it out and see what we have. It's supposed to be at least $100 value. And let's see if we've got it there. I can tell you right now, I don't think it's beat the $4.99 deal I just opened up. I think it's going to be hard pressed for that. Okay. The first item I'm just going to pull out of here. I'm just going to pull it out as I can grab it. It looks like we have a Fabfitfun travel bottle. It must be made for Fabfitfun because it has their name on it. And on the inside here, we've got a green travel mug. And of course it's got Fabfitfun on there, which is kind of fun. That's kind of cute. And it is an aluminum one. It looks like it will hold some good liquid. You can pop that up and down. You've got your hole there. You can carry it. So this will be something great for going to the beach. I'm all set for that. And it's a thermos, so you can have hot and cold in there. Wow, that's actually pretty nice. What do you think? Okay, well, that's not too bad, and it's got the FFF in purple. Let's see what our next item is. I'm just going to pull this little bitty box out. Okay, we've got some No. This is an Enriching Night Eye Cream by No. I've never heard of them, so I have no idea what the value is. I will try to put values up there at the top if I can find them and let you know what they are. This is some eye cream. I am not going to open this up because I don't have good luck with eye creams that are made by other companies usually. My eyes are just too sensitive, and I kind of just stick with Estee Lauder for my eye creams because every time I try some other ones, I have issues of some sort. But if you know anything about that product, let me know. That's one thing that I got, and it is a 15 ml, so it's a full size, and it says it's an enriching eye cream. Okay, let's see what the next item is. The next item I'm pulling out of here is another small product, and this is a Win Elemis. This is a very expensive product. This is sensitive, well, an expensive brand. I don't know if this is expensive or not. It's a lightweight facial moisturizer, and it's sensitive and soothing milk. And I like the fact that it's soothing because sometimes my skin, as I just talked about, is sensitive. Has anyone ever used this? Do you know anything about it? It says it's a lightweight facial moisturizer. It kind of reminds me of packaging of Clinique. Clinique used to have a sensitive packaging of a moisturizer, or I think they also had a exercise type makeup foundation that was a moisturizer all in one. They don't even do that one anymore, but that looks very nice. And I don't know if it's sealed or not. Nope. So I'm just going to squeeze out a little bit and we'll see how it feels, see what it smells like. This is actually not too bad of a Fabfitfun mystery bundle. It really doesn't have a scent, which is good. You don't want them to have too much of a scent if you're putting it on your face. So, okay guys, so far so good. Here's my last item. And it was something yellow in there, and I have no idea what this is. It says Bioma. So Clear Set. This is a creamy jelly cleanser, clarifying serum, and a moisturizing gel cream. And it is boosted barrier, better skin. It says it hydrates, balance, and boosts for clarity. So this must be a little kit. It has Bioma on there. I don't know if you can read it with the glare on there. So let's look in here and see what we have. Okay. Oh, how cute. Isn't that cute? Oh, that's a cute little travel pack. Oh, wow, I could have used that on my vacation. It's got a moisturizing gel cream, and that is in the pink. It's got a clarifying serum, and that is right here, and it says that it's blue tansy and pH and zinc is what it has in it. So it's a triceramide complex. Wow, that sounds pretty cool. I might like that. I need some ceramides. So yeah, that'll be good. That's a nice serum. Doesn't have a scent. It's got the zinc in it. Maybe it'll help brighten up my skin. And then it had a creamy jelly cleanser. So you've got a moisturizer and a serum in this little kit. That is just really cool. Creamy jelly cleanser. And it's probably sealed. Yes, I'm going to leave it sealed. And I'm sure the moisturizer is sealed as well. It's a moisturizing gel. So have you heard of this brand? Is this something new? Has anybody heard of this? And again, I don't know the value of this, but with the serum and the moisturizer and this little travel case, it's called the So Clear Set. Okay, well, as a recap, I'm going to have to say this is a pretty good Fabfitfun mystery bag. I got this travel thermos. I got this Bioma travel kit, and it's a So Clear set that has the triceramide complex serum in there, which is excellent. I got the Elemis, and this is a sensitive soothing milk, and it's a lightweight facial moisturizer. And I got this No eye cream, and I don't know anything about No. You let me know if you know anything. And do you have a favorite out of this? Okay, my favorite's going to have to be down to the Elemis and this Bioma, because that sounds really nice with the ceramides. I'm really excited to try both of them. Okay, you let me know what your favorites is. This is my little Fabfitfun mystery bag. You let me know what your favorite is. I got this kimono and the bag and the beach towel, all for $4.99. So basically they were $1.37 each or something like that. I mean, that's just an incredible buy. And even though the Fabfitfun bag was really nice, I don't know that it beats this one. You let me know, which one do you like better? Do you like my beach bag with the kimono, or do you like my skin treatments that I've got, as well as the mug? And of course, let's don't forget the eye cream. They've got it all put together. So this was a great Fabfitfun mystery bag. I got my money's worth. What do you think? And again, I'll try to find the prices and I'll put them up there. And I thank you all for being with me today. If I forgot to welcome you properly, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to not do that. I do want to say, be sure and check my descriptions for any current giveaways that are going on. And also, I'm going to be starting my 2K celebration series. So be sure and be on the lookout for that. I may already have the first one out. I don't know. But it'll be coming out soon. So watch out, and there's several videos coming out, and of course those will all have giveaways. So that's all I have for Fabfitfun mystery bag and Fabfitfun add-on buys, which are an excellent deal for $4.99. Where else could you find a buy like that? Anyways, that's all I have, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye bye.